little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Welcome, little artists. Our page is bright and empty, like a snowy table waiting for a magical dessert. Take a deep breath, wiggle your fingers, and get ready, because a tiny ice cream adventure is about to begin with one cheerful line at a time. Look what appears first, a sweet little heart floating near the top. It is small, round, and friendly, like a candy balloon saying, "Hello." This heart will become the happy topper for our ice cream, full of love and giggles.
Yay!
Now a big curved line grows under the heart, like a rainbow taking a cozy nap. It bends down on both sides, making the top scoop shape. The heart sits proudly on top, as if it is wearing an invisible crown. Drippy chocolate starts to slide down the scoop. Plop, wiggle, wobble. The lines look like silly syrup dancing in slow motion. A few tiny sprinkles appear too, like little confetti pieces celebrating the tastiest ice cream day ever.
Whee!
More sprinkles jump onto the scoop. Dash here, dash there. Tiny oval candies everywhere. The ice cream looks extra cheerful now. The scoop seems to whisper, "Please give me more decorations," while the heart topper smiles sweetly above. A fluffy, wavy scoop appears underneath, like a soft cloud made of vanilla dreams. The bottom edge bumps and bounces with little curves. It looks so squishy and fun, as if it might giggle when touched.
Yay!
Another delicious scoop joins the stack, making the ice cream taller and sillier. Now it has two fluffy layers under the drippy top. It is becoming a tower of sweetness, ready to wobble like a happy dessert parade. The scoops settle into place, and little sidelines appear below them. Something exciting is coming underneath. The ice cream looks like it is sitting on a tiny stage, waiting for the cone to arrive with a big tada. Here comes the cone shape. Two long lines slide downward and meet at a rounded point, like a cozy triangle blanket for the scoops. The ice cream now has a place to stand, and it looks ready for a sunny picnic. The cone gets its first crisscross lines, marching diagonally like tiny roads. They make the cone look crunchy and real. Imagine a little ant driving a candy car along those waffle paths, saying, "Beep, beep, dessert coming through?" More crisscross lines appear, going the other way. Now the cone has a perfect waffle pattern, like a basket full of sweetness. The ice cream stands tall and proud, with scoops, sprinkles, syrup, and a loving heart on top. The drawing gets cleaned and balanced. The sprinkles look neat, the syrup looks tasty, and the cone pattern looks wonderfully crunchy. Our dessert friend seems to say, "I am almost ready, but I still need something magical."
Okay.
The outline stays bold and clear, like a coloring page waiting for crayons. Every curve is easy to follow, from the heart topper to the fluffy scoops and the pointy cone. The ice cream is asking for bright colors now. The ice cream waits patiently, still black and white, but full of imagination. Maybe the top scoop will be minty green. Maybe the middle scoop will be sunny yellow. And maybe the bottom scoop will be purple, like a party balloon.
Okay.
Before the colors arrive, let's admire the whole shape. A heart, syrup, sprinkles, 3 bouncy scoops, and a waffle cone all work together. It is not just an ice cream, it is a cheerful tower of drawing practice and fun. Hooray! The colors burst in at last. A pink heart shines on top. Chocolate syrup drips deliciously. Green, yellow, and purple scoops stack together, and the orange cone looks crunchy. Our happy ice cream is finished and ready to make everyone smile.